Hi everyone, it's Crystal with the Lilac House and I'm at my favorite store right now. Well, I'm outside of it, but I'm taking you with me on a shop with me to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you my favorite go-to items at the Dollar Tree. I love that I can find most of these products every single time I come. They're my go-to items. I don't buy them at Target or Walmart. I always buy them at the Dollar Tree, and I'm taking you with me today. Please leave in the comments your favorite item to buy at the Dollar Tree. Let's get into this video. Come with me. Starting out, we have these organizational containers. I love these. They come in different shapes and sizes. I use them in my bathroom. All of the other bins are amazing too. They have the stackable ones, the locker ones. I especially love these white ones. I think that they look a lot like a Target item. They always have seasonal colors as well for their organizational bins. This is a hot topic, but I love the collapsible storage containers. I use them to organize my dresser. If you would like to see that video, please comment below and I will film it for you. I really enjoy organizing with the shelf risers. I actually have a Dollar Tree bathroom video coming up on how I organize my bathroom. If you would like to see it, make sure you subscribe. I also like the step shelves. I use them in my pantry and my bathroom. I love the pot and pan brush. It's one of my favorite items at the Dollar Tree. The carpet odor eliminator is great to help your carpet smell fresh. We love the furniture polish. It's very comparable to the name brand and it works just as well. The dustpans are amazing. I have one for my outside broom and my inside broom. The balloons, candles, and gift bags are always my go-tos for party supplies. Along with greeting cards, the price cannot be beat. I especially loved this little piggy card. I love pigs. It was so cute. They always have seasonal cards as well. The crossword puzzles are a must-have for me at my house. I like buying tape at the Dollar Tree, and be on the lookout for the tape that comes with 2 in each package. They even have double-sided tape. Craft items cannot be beat. Glue, scissors, glitter, you name it, it's the go-to place. When we dog sit, we love buying dog treats. Make sure you look at the ingredients first. We love the dog toys and the doggy waste bags. This is a Robert one. He loves the oil changing funnel when he changes our oil in our vehicles, along with the oil changing bucket. I love to buy seasonings at the Dollar Tree, especially the garlic powder and the onion powder. The cupcake liners are a great buy, and they always have seasonal ones too, but they come with less. Glassware and jars are a great addition to organize with. They're so cute, so frugal, and they work just as well as some of the expensive ones. I love the strainer from the Dollar Tree. I originally bought it for a kid activity for my toddler, and I love using it as a strainer. Cooking utensils are a must-have, especially that meat smasher cooker. I don't know what it's called, but I love it. The Betty Crocker brand cannot be beat. We love buying our bag clips at the Dollar Tree. I always buy my plastic Tupperware from the Dollar Tree. Whenever I cook and I have guests over, I love sending them home with leftovers. I love this giant Tupperware bowl. It is great for salads. It shakes the salad so well. It holds so much, and a dressing. It's amazing. We have like 7. Next on my list is hand sanitizer. I don't know if you've noticed, but since 2020, the price of hand sanitizer has gone up. The Dollar Tree price cannot be beat. Just make sure it has the proper alcohol level. Along with that are the hand sanitation wipes. I love keeping these in my car and my diaper bag. I like to buy hydrogen peroxide at the Dollar Tree. I have an amazing DIY stain remover that I make with it, along with the rubbing alcohol to clean my couch. Pregnancy tests are a must. These tests have told me I'm pregnant with both of my kids, and they were accurate. I love the specialty soap bar. I like the lavender one. It's great for a gift basket. Along with face masks, we love this charcoal one. And always be on the lookout for Yes to Tomato brand. These can cost up to $5 at Target. We love the bath bombs from the Dollar Tree. One of my favorite items is the Epsom salt. I love it so much. I love doing foot soaks, adding it to my bath, especially the lavender scent. Are you sensing a theme here? Loofahs are next on my list. You can buy pads, regular loofahs, the ones that reach to your back. This nail polish remover is amazing. It is much better than some that I've spent $5 on. It is a holy grail for me. I will always buy it, and I will link the video where I fell in love with it. I really like the Dollar Tree's hair ties, especially the ones on the right. I have really thick hair, and they hold my hair very, very well. The Dollar Tree has amazing scrunchies and headbands. They always have seasonal ones too, and I'm loving this yellow one. It has major fall vibes for me. I like the cosmetic bags because they hold the things. I use them. I like the baby outlet protectors. I take them with me when we travel to Airbnbs, and I also use them in my house. The seasonal kid crafts are a go-to for me. I love buying them each season, having them on hand. My toddler loves them. My neighbors love them. We display them all over our house. We love stickers from the Dollar Tree. Just make sure you look at how many come with it. Sometimes it's 20, sometimes it's over 100. They're great for quiet time activities and for sticker charts. The coloring books cannot be beat. They have a wide collection. And last but not least, I love the bubbles from the Dollar Tree. I always stock up on them. I always go for the bigger size. They're amazing. We love them. We always have a few on hand. That was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I will see you next time on the Lilac House. I hope you know that you are amazing. People are just watching me like this girl's a little crazy. This is my first time filming like in public, so. Ugh.